What you
The
got?
vending machine!
Finally.
And another fridge! 2 packs.
Hmm?
Can't open it.
It's a surprise. Are they always blind bags?
Yeah, and the 2 packs. This one's sweeps, and this one's
Oh, you can tell even not
juicy
opening it?
orange. Yeah, I can tell by feeling it. Yep, juicy orange. Sweeps. Ice cream dream, I think. Not sure.
Let's see if you're
Is
right.
this season 2? Oh, right now. Cupcake chick.
Mhm.
And. Yep, we still. Later in the other color.
Okay, how many Shopkins are there in there?
2. Purple and yellow cheeky chocolate and pretzel in the pink.
No blind bag?
No blind bag, I think.
So where do you get the blind bags?
In the 2 packs, the 5 packs, the 20 packs. Well, in the 20 packs, they're actually clear bags. So 5 packs, 12 packs, and no.
There's like 3 of
no,
them.
And 5, only 1, and There.
Get that.
And ripping this.
Oh, it's a tin can.
Hey, look! It comes with a receipt. Flat one. And wrong colored. So tin.
Ooh.
Ow.
Oops.
Oops.
That's a pretzel, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
It's pink. What's the other one?
Cheeky chocolate and pretzel.
Oh.
Yeah, so this is the Shopkins vending machine. It's like metal or something.
It's made of tin.
Yeah, and then like you can't open that. I tried.
It's magnetic.
Yeah. And then there's little things that look like they're there, but you can take them out if you want. And
Shells.
just put them on those shelves. And then it comes with a list. I love this list. It's all flat. The other ones are like crumbled. There's a list. And this is season 1. It's pink inside. Hey, look, magnets.
Where's the magnet? The magnet? Oh, it really has magnets. Okay.
So the background. And it says check out online www.shopkinsworld.com.
Let's see how many Shopkins
Right here,
you can put. What was that?
Baby. Okay.
2.
3. What if we try the
Count as you go.
1, 2, 9. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 14.
That's a chubby one.
15. 16. 17. 18.
18. 19. Maybe you can squeeze 20.
Aha! You're skinny.
Yeah, skinny one. There you go.
20!
Alright,
But the
let's
problem
close
with
it.
this is you can't see it.
You mean
like
on
if-
the side?
Yeah, like you can't see the bottom row. Bottom rows down there.
Oh, I
So
see
like
what
if
you
you're
mean.
trying to like carry
The one at
it.
the bottom is covered.
Yeah.
What other Shopkins you have?
Oh, where's my bag? I lost it.
Okay, let's pick on your bag. What do you have there?
128 Shopkins, but the rest is another